In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stack with Wix Studio. Whether you're just getting started with Wix or you're familiar with the platform, learning how to use the Stack feature is a fantastic way to improve your design workflow and create more visually cohesive layouts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to group and arrange multiple elements in your project, making your designs both efficient and visually appealing. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open your preferred internet browser and go to the Wix Studio website. Simply type wix.com's/studio in the address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to the Wix Studio homepage where you can start your journey once you're on the homepage. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Login. This is your gateway to accessing your account and all the tools Wix Studio has to offer. Click on the Login button to proceed. When you do, you'll be taken to the login screen. Here, you'll see a few options for signing into your account. For this tutorial, we recommend using the Continue with Google option. This method is quick, secure, and convenient, especially if you already use Google services. So go ahead and select that option. If prompted, enter your Google account credentials, such as your email address and password, and follow the steps to complete the login process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Wix Studio editor. Now that you're in, let's focus on the task at hand, using the Stack feature. Inside the Wix Studio editor, locate an image within your project. This can be any image you've added, and it's what we'll use to demonstrate the stacking process. Click on that image to select it. Once it's selected, you'll want to select additional images to group with it. To do this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking on the other images you'd like to include. Holding Shift allows you to select multiple elements at the same time, which is essential for creating a stack. With all your desired images now selected, it's time to find the Stack option. Look toward the top menu bar of the editor here. You'll see a variety of tools and features to customize your design. Among them, you'll find the Stack option. Once you locate it, click on Stack to group your selected images together. What does this do exactly? Stacking the elements groups them in a way that allows you to move, resize, and arrange them as a single unit. This is incredibly helpful for maintaining consistent spacing and alignment in your layout. After you've created the stack, you can fine-tune it to better suit your design. Adjust the spacing, alignment, or even the overall position of the stack to make sure it fits seamlessly into your project. This step is all about refining your layout to achieve the best possible visual balance. And there you have it. Using the Stack feature in Wix Studio is a simple but powerful way to organize your design elements and streamline your workflow. With just a few clicks, you can transform a scattered layout into a clean, cohesive design that's easy to manage and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.